Hello. This is chapter 13 of the textbook. This is the final chapter for this class. It discusses the activities needed to install the information system and to successfully convert the organization to using it. It also discusses post-implementation activities such as system support, system maintenance, and project assessment. Here are the objectives, the learning objectives from Chapter 13. The training and organizational issues surrounding the installation are more complex and challenging because humans are involved, not just machines. Making the transition to the new system, the biggest issue or problem is that of managing change in the organization. This chapter talks about the transition from the as-is system to the to-be system and ways to successfully manage this process. A key component is to prepare the people for the transition. People's work habits tend to be very resistant to change, and this is a major issue when installing and converting to a new information system, which changes the way people do their jobs. One of the very earliest models for managing organizational change was developed by Kurt Lewin, and he argued that making change palatable to an organization is a three-step process, which consists of unfreezing or loosening up people's habits and norms, moving, which is when you actually transition from the old to the new system, and then refreezing, which means to institutionalize and make efficient the new way of doing things. This is illustrated in this slide. First, the project team must unfreeze the existing habits and norms of using the as-is system so that change is possible. Most of the system development lifecycle to this point has laid the groundwork for unfreezing. That is, all of the analysis and design activities. User involvement also helps here, particularly in participating in the analysis of the current as-is system, so everyone knows what the problems are. And some have helped design the new system, so they are aware of the benefits of the new system. The second step is to move or transition from the old system to the new. As you see on the slide, the migration plan incorporates issues that must be addressed to facilitate this transition. A conversion strategy needs to be selected, which determines the style of the switch from the old to the new system, what parts of the organization will be converted and when, and how much of the system is converted at a time. Plans to handle business disruption due to technical problems during conversion should be outlined in the business contingency plan. Then finally, Lewin's third step is to refreeze the new system as the standard habitual way of performing the work processes. This includes providing ongoing support and maintenance and project management.